Have you ever wondered how to buy a house in Kyle, Texas? If yes, this is the video you've been waiting for. Hey, I'm Sean Tips, and you just found your local expert on how to buy a house in Kyle, Texas. Known as the pie capital of Texas, Kyle is a rapidly growing city offering delicious pies, a rich history at Catherine Ann Porter Literacy Center, and outdoor activities at Lake Kyle. However, today we're going to be diving into everything you need to know about how to buy a house in Kyle, Texas. And I mean everything you need to know, all the crucial details you need to make an informed decision. Stay tuned to the very end because I'm going to share a bonus tip. So let's get started without any further ado. Starting with number 7, let's first understand the real estate market in Kyle, Texas. Kyle is part of the Austin metropolitan market located between Austin and San Marcos. The most recent median home sales price is $329,000, which is 3.4% less than last year. The average price per square foot is $177 a square foot, with 5.1% less than last year. Kyle's homes sell in about 67 days in the market, and the market's still pretty competitive as some homes often get more than one offer. Prices on houses in Kyle are 3% lower than they were a year ago, and they sell faster now, taking an average of 67 days in the market compared to 89 days last year. Migration patterns show that 26% of Kyle homeowners want to move away, while 74% want to stay in the metropolitan area. Remember, the cost of living in Kyle can fluctuate, so staying informed is crucial to when considering buying or selling a property. Coming in at number 6, an important one, hire a real estate agent. Hiring a real estate agent and buying a house in Kyle can be very helpful. Agents should know the local market inside and out. It can help you find neighborhoods that fit your needs and your price point. The MLS gives them the most up-to-date listings in the area, and they'll show up generally before they show up on other websites. Your agent should be good at negotiating so they can make sure they get the best deal and take care of all the paperwork and processes. You'll save time and effort because they know the market and can put you in touch with lenders, inspectors, and contractors. With their help, figuring out the cost of living in Kyle is a lot easier than you can do on your own. Moving on to number 5, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is very important if you want to relocate to Kyle, Texas. A pre-approval letter is very important for a couple of reasons. First off, it will set your buying power limit. It'll give you a clear budget range for a pre-approval, which lets you know exactly how much you can afford. Secondly, this letter will be needed if when you're ready to submit an offer. This helps you set reasonable goals and focus your search on houses that fit your budget. It's also easier and faster to purchase when your information is already safe. Pre-approval doesn't guarantee you'll get a loan, but it does make it much more likely that you'll find your dream home in Kyle. Moving on to number 4, determine your needs. When looking to buy a house in Kyle, Texas, it is important to be realistic about what you can expect. Learn about the local market, cost of homes, and be ready to make some concessions to find the best deal for your budget. Tell your agent exactly what your needs, your wants, and what are the deal breakers for the property. Most of Kyle will have single-family homes, but there are a lot of options when it comes to size, style, and location and amenities. This will help them find the homes that meet your needs. Your agent can help you by providing recent sales for similar homes to get a good idea of the market. In Kyle, Texas, the real estate market, you can trust your agent to look out on your behalf by submitting offers, providing the most recent data, and looking out for your best interest. Coming in at number 3, the fun starts. Go and visit homes. Now that you've been researching the homes online, using your agent to provide listings, it is time to go see them in person. Seeing homes in person can be eye-opening as they don't always look like they do in pictures. When relocating to Kyle, Texas, consider several important factors when checking out homes. Find out how safe the area is, how close it is to your workplace, schools, parks, and shopping. Go to the area at different times to feel out how the noise is and the traffic and general atmosphere. Look at the outside and inside of the house, signs of wear and tear, structural problems. Also check important systems like roof, plumbing, and HVAC. Also pay attention to natural light and views from the windows. Find out about the schools in the area. Good schools can affect the value of your home. On to number 2, it is time to submit an offer. Now, as I mentioned earlier, at this point, you are going to need to be fully pre-approved because that pre-approval letter will need to be attached with the offer. It's going to show the seller that you have the ability and the funds to make an offer. Once you've found the right house, your agent can help you provide you with the data to make a solid offer. They can guide you through the trends in the markets of the certain neighborhood or area, find out why the seller is selling, and any additional information can help have a leg up on any potential other buyers. Determining the following items with your agent will be needed: offer price, earnest money deposit, option period, time, and amount, closing date, and more. The seller can accept, reject, or counter your offer being sent in. Your real estate agent will help you write up an offer that is legally binding and will make sure it has the best prices, terms you will need to buy a home in Kyle, Texas. Last but not least, at number 1, you are under contract. We are cruising to closing. This is the last step in the buying process where buyer will be becoming the new owner. First thing, once you're under contract, do not go out and make any large purchases. This could have a negative effect on your credit. The title company, which is also the escrow company in Texas, will hold any funds, provide the title policy for a clean title, and all the remaining documents. Do one last walkthrough before you close this property to make sure it's in good shape, any repairs have been made. Finally, it's time to sign all the closing docs. You will get the keys to your new home once everything is funded, normally all in the same day. Well done, you're the new homeowner in Kyle, Texas. Bonus tip, as promised, getting a professional home inspection during the option period is very important. Your option period is the amount of days that you bought in the contract for unrestricted right to terminate the offer. An inspection reveals the property's condition, helping you be informed of any decisions by identifying any potential issues, repairs that are needed. This knowledge ensures that you are aware of the true state of the home that you're purchasing. A thorough inspection also provides some negotiating power if any problems are found. You can negotiate repairs or a lower price with the seller, giving you the leverage during the negotiation process. By avoiding surprises after closing, you'll be aware of any hidden effects or safety concerns. Investing in an inspection ensures that you're making a sound purchase in Kyle, Texas. If you liked this video and like to see more videos, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, my name is Sean Tips. I'm a realtor from Austin, Texas, and if I can be of service to you, my contact information is in the description boxes below. If you want to keep receiving real estate market updates about the Austin metro area, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and my other socials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and remember, I'm your local expert, and I'll see you around town.